Greetings, folks. It's Sarah. Today I am featured out on beautiful Lake Pend Oreille in Sandpoint, Idaho. I have 12 of my top favorite cook stoves here that I am going to light up and fire for you guys today. I am having a blast out here with all of my cook stoves on display. I have the most beautiful setting and place to be shooting this footage for you guys. So I really hope that you guys enjoy this video as much as I enjoy making it for you. I am going to light up the Mini today. We are outside. So the stove is cold. We also have a super short flue stack because we have limited resources. So I'm gonna show you though, even with a cold stove and a short flue stack, we can still get this thing lit up. So we've had a bunch of people come by and check out our stoves. We had actually all 12 of our cook stoves burning for 2 days in a row. And the neighbors have just been great. They love seeing the stoves. Nobody's complained at all. After the stoves are lit up, during light up, we do have some initial smoke. But with all 12 of the stoves burning, we literally had such a small footprint of smoke coming off of these stoves. We've got some really cool drone footage to be sure to look out for that. One thing I do want to mention about this Concept Mini is it does have battens which are installed around the top of the oven. If you're running a short flue stack, which is basically probably anything under 20 foot on the Concept 2 Mini here, you would want to remove those battens before your first light. Now, what else is pretty cool about being able to light up your stove, which is a little bit of stovepipe, is when you first get a stove, I do first burn videos, so check those out, and that goes into more detail on that. But when you first get a stove, the paint needs to cure. And during that curing process, there is definitely some off-gassing and some smell. So I highly, highly recommend to do a first burn in your stove, like your cook stove, your wood stove, any kind of stove, before you bring it inside the house, because those paint smells, it's really not good to be breathing. So take care of your lungs. All right, and just like that, we are fired up. The Mini really burns pretty nice here. You can see also we hardly have any smoke coming out. And that is how we fire it up. I hope that you guys enjoy these light up videos, and especially this epic background with the beautiful mountains and water. If you guys like these videos, please don't forget to just give me that thumbs up. It helps me out when you guys like my videos. Also, don't forget to click that subscribe button. If you know anybody who would think these videos are cool, please share them. Share them with your friends. It helps me, it helps my business. God bless. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.